Hi there, my name is Ian Astrike and I am the founder of Curbside Bicycles. We set up neighborhood pop-up bike shops all over Dane County that allow communities to have access to the most affordable and convenient bike repair compared to anywhere else around. This started at the beginning of the pandemic and people wanted to get outside. If you had a bike and you wanted to get it tuned up, you had to bring it into a shop. They had a month-long wait, meaning you had to be without your bike for a whole month in a period of time in which you wanted to most bike. So Curbside Bicycles swooped in and offered a same-day turnaround for the most affordable price around. So Curbside Bicycles is innovative in the sense that we have the lowest overhead since we don't have a shop or a van, and we set up right in the neighborhood, allowing the whole community to come and bring their bike that day, giving us the ability to service many more bikes than a typical mobile business model.